Hello everyone, my name is Devin Dash with Axiom Strategic. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video. In light of recent events, we have had a lot of clients ask questions like, should we be meeting and planning, or should we limit the amount of interactions that we're having and implement social distancing? And our answer is that you don't have to sacrifice one for the other. Yes, you should be meeting and planning with your leadership team. And in times of high uncertainty, we recommend increasing the frequency of those meetings. Information is just changing so rapidly. It's really important to keep up those meetings. But there's also tools that you can use to limit the amount of in-person meetings and implement social distancing. That's why today I'm going to be covering how to get your mobile iOS device and even Android devices set up with Zoom Cloud Meetings. The Zoom video conferencing platform is a tool that we use almost daily. And no, this is not a paid advertisement. We just really think it's great. It offers huge value during this time. As I've already mentioned, this is obviously a great tool for you and your leadership teams to keep you meeting and planning and executing, but it's also mobile OS neutral. So whether you're using an Android operating system or an Apple operating system, both users can connect. This makes visually connecting easier if you want to check in on a coworker or employee who's sick, or someone who's stuck at home caring for others during this time. We've even seen some of our clients use it as a sales aid with prospective customers to substitute the face-to-face meeting. All that said, let's walk through how to get Zoom up and running on your mobile device. So just navigate to your App Store and search for Zoom Cloud Meetings. Scroll down until you see this app right here. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to open it. You may need to wait for the download. This is the home screen of the app. As you can see, if you don't have an account, you can sign up from right inside the app. I have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. All right, and I'm in. From your home screen, you can start a new meeting, join a meeting that's already in progress, or schedule a meeting for a future date. Once you start a new meeting, you may need to give it access to your contacts, your microphone, and even your video. But in doing that, you can add anybody in your contacts to the meeting, and if they have the Zoom app, they can just join right in. This makes it a really effective tool at kind of keeping people connected, especially during this uncertain time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope that you stay healthy during this time. Thanks for watching.